Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to share an important knowledge for internet users who use internet for regular basis. So for using this tool, you're gonna save you a lot of time, and you can increase your productivity as well while using the internet. So who don't love cheat sheet, right? So there is a website which will give you the cheat sheet for using internet, using any kind of a tool like chat gpt, YouTube, Facebook, Gmail, any kind of a tool. So what type of tool you use, so he will provide you some cheat sheet to use it perfect way. So let's go to the website. So browser may go to the browser and search here quick ref. Then go to this website quickref.me. So this is the interface of quick reference. They're saying that here are some cheat sheets and quick reference for contributed by open sources angels. So first one is the chat gpt. Go to this chat gpt option. So this is the chat gpt option. So this is how the cheat sheet of chat gpt. So if you want to use chat gpt for general way, some name your business idea, create your outline for courses or training program. This is general. If you want to use ChatGPT for coding, so explain why a piece of code is not. These are the chat cheat sheet. You can use the ChatGPT for email basis. You can use spreadsheet for Excel, Google Sheets, and the way you want to use it. You can use the ChatGPT for social media, for reading. There is a lot of cheat sheet you can have here for your increase your productivity to for chat gpt. So now go to, there is a called git bash python is a programming language. Python users, you can check this out. JavaScript users, and then there is a lot of programming language, any kind of a programming language. You can go to the cheat sheet. So as far as I know that the cheat sheet is a very important for programmers. So I hope this website will help you a lot, so to crack the cheat sheet and crack the problem. So toolkit, there is this and see. Then there is a lot of things you're gonna do. The figma cheat sheet. And then Shopify, the one of the biggest popular e-commerce platform for this generation. Then go to YouTube, for example. So if I'm a YouTuber, so the let's see what type of a cheat sheet for me for using YouTube. So keyboard shortcuts. There is a keyboard shortcuts for YouTube. There is some general shortcuts. So play, pause, press K on the keyboard, then step backward 10 seconds and press J. So these are the fabulous shortcuts. So let's see how some the Gmail short cheat sheets. The Gmail has some keyboard shortcuts as well. Formatting text and actions, jumping, hangouts, a lot of things. There is a lot of things in this website. Quick reference. BLC player. There is a GitLab, Google search, AI directory, ASCII code, and a lot of things. You can you can have it for cheat sheet to use your internet browser very experientially and increase your productivity while using the internet. So I hope this video will help you a lot, and I hope you're gonna try this out. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.